Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable ClickUp time tracking to improve estimates, beginner guide step by step clearly. To enable ClickUp time tracking, start by logging into your ClickUp account. Next, navigate to the workspace where you want to enable time tracking. Locate and open the settings menu. In the settings, click on the time tracking option from the list. Toggle the time tracking feature to the on position. You may also find options to customize time tracking settings. Choose whether you want to enable time estimates for tasks. Decide if you want to see time tracked on the task and project views. Now, head over to a specific task where you'd like to track time. Click on the task to open its details. Look for the time tracking section within the task details. Here, you'll find an option to start tracking time. Click the Start button to begin logging your work time. While working, you can pause or stop the timer if needed. Once you've completed the task, click the Stop button. Review the total time tracked for accuracy. You can now review your time tracking data in the reporting section. This data will help improve future estimates for similar tasks. Repeat these steps for any task you want to track time on. Utilizing time tracking will enhance your project management efficiency. By focusing on accurate time tracking, you can better assess team performance. This will ultimately lead to more precise estimates in the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.